If you're experiencing crashing issues while playing Red Dead Redemption 2, follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the problem. Step 1. Update your graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers for your specific graphics card model. Step 2. Verify game files. If you're using a platform like Steam or Epic Games, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them as needed. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. Lower the in-game graphics settings to see if that reduces crashing. Start with settings like texture quality, shadows, and anti-aliasing, and gradually adjust them to find a stable configuration. Step 4. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be consuming system resources. This includes web browsers, streaming software, and other games that could interfere with performance. Step 5. Check system requirements. Ensure that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Red Dead Redemption 2. If your hardware is below the recommended specifications, consider upgrading your components for better performance. By following these steps, you should be able to address the crashing issues in Red Dead Redemption 2. If problems persist, consider seeking further assistance from gaming forums or technical support.